Hi dear viewers, this is Arash Kamali with another session of the website programming course on the Python programming language and the Django framework. Again, as always, a very warm welcome from me. In the previous session, we gave a brief introduction, activated the permissions, talked about the groups, and now in this session, we are going to activate the permissions in the admin section, and at first level, make the groups and later on move on to work with permissions. Alright, I use my manager app to start my job in the view. Okay, let's see, and I make a copy from one of the functions and call it manager group, and as you see it shows us or is going to show us the groups. Right now we don't send anything to the template, and here we write manager group. We need to make his file. It would be manager underline group.html. That's right, manager group. Okay, and then we need to make its URL. So before we do anything, let's take care of making the URL first, and then we can self-assuredly move on to the next steps. All right, that's it. That's for the function. Now we need to add it in the master as well, and in the master, first let's check some items, and here is the site setting. Okay, here is manager. Here before it I say, let's see, permissions. Okay, and we move on from there. Okay, I say permissions, and this one would be manage group. We call it the permissions. That's right, group. Okay, and refresh the admin. As you see, the permission has been made, and now the group section, and now we enter this page. Now we want it to list the groups. Okay, both list and show the groups that we make over here. Here I completed. Let's see, we copy news list and set it in the manager group and change the name. The name would be, let's say, groups, and here it would be panel. Okay, manager. That's right, groups. Let's check and see if the URL is okay. Manager, yeah, and here it would be groups, and here it would be groups list. Alright, now if I go to the group page, it looks like this. Now we can add the fields that we want to it. So let's do it. We need the name field, the name of the group. Here it would be name. That's right, and the rest are removed. Don't need them. Anything that we don't need in a code that we copy is going to be removed, like this. Okay, I have added the field as name and the action that we have for the field. It says up to now the pages are ready. Now we want to use the groups and show them. The first thing I need to do is to import them. So I want to import them in the view. Here I need to say user group, and let's say permission. Let's check them out. Yep, we import them, and for instance, to show them, we say group equals group dot let's see, objects dot all, and we send them to template, the groups, okay. In the group we say cc in group. All right, and here we have no groups. We add a new one, we call it test group. That's right, and save it. Here we made it. Now we refresh the page. As you see, the test group is shown to me. Now I change the ring to group, and I said show me the name. And now what do we have? Let's see, we have a group, and what else do we have? We added a group manually to have something to be shown over here. So this is where the groups are being shown to me. The space that you have in front of you are where the groups that we add are being shown to us. If I make a group in the main Django admin, then I would be able to see it here. Now we want to have this section in our own panel, so that we can use the ready-made, so that we won't have to use the ready-made Django admin. Here we can see the list of the group and give them specific permissions within our own administrative section, and etc. We can do the same thing for the user's permission. We would have another section where we would add the permissions as well as we did with the groups. The procedure would be almost identical, and then we would be able to delete them and give them to the user.